G'day guys, let's talk about art and lessons and tutorials, and let's talk about it. It's okay to watch tutorials and it's like if everything starts getting frustrating and hard and you want to give up, you got to step back a minute. Art is supposed to be fun. And if you're not having fun, you need to step back and just forget about, and this, I have to do this on my own self. But sometimes I just have to step back and just say to heck with it. Just let go and just have fun. I'll have periods where I'm not worried about lighting. I'm not worried about shading. I'm not worried about none of that. And there's a reason I do that. That's because I know the number one reason people quit before they get advanced or intermediate is because they're not having fun anymore. Art is supposed to be fun. Yes, it's okay to want to become an intermediate or an advanced. But it's also okay to just say, I'm going to have fun today. I'm just going to color. I'm not going to worry about shadows and highlights and this, that, or the other. You just have to sometimes. Otherwise, you'll give up. And I don't want anybody to give up. Okay? One of the reasons I do rainbows is because they're fun for me. I have fun doing them. It gives me a break from, all the rigors of I gotta do this and I gotta do that, and shadows go here, lighting goes here. So I just stop and I just say, okay, it's time to just have some fun. And rainbows, this is where I'm having fun. I'm not worried about shadows. I'm not worried about highlights. I'm not worried about any of that. The only thing I worry about is my blending and my layering. Which, you don't even have to do that if you don't want to. I mean, just putting some color down, that's really, just up to the person that's doing it. But I wanted to make this video because I know a lot of people that want to progress, and they want to, advanced from being, a beginner and just starting out, and you want to do something good. You want to do a quick piece of work. And this is one of the reasons I've been teaching y'all the rainbow. It's the easiest beginner-friendly thing that I can show you that say, look what I did. Look at that. Look what I did. A lot of people did the mushroom. Hey, you had fun doing it, didn't you? You gotta do, sometimes you just have to let go and just do. You do art, not art do you. You gotta do that sometimes. Now, I'm not saying you don't you know, follow your lessons like you should, because I believe you should. But if it's becoming work and it's becoming frustrating and you're not having fun, you just stop and go back and just go and lay some color down on a page. I mean, that's really just have fun. Um, Sometimes we forget and we get all, I've got to learn to do this, I've got to learn to do that. Um, it's okay to let go every now and then and say, I'm not going to color. I don't want to color like that. It's okay to do that. But, say like I wanted to use my Prismacolor, and this is Dioxazine Purple Hue. And I just want to do just, I'm just putting some color down. I'm not worried about how hard I'm pressing. Not worried about anything. I'm just doing something for fun. And if you find something else, I'll go up here. Caribbean Sea. I'm just going to put that down there. These are Prismacolors, by the way. I'm still using Polychromos up there, but now see, I just did this for fun. I wasn't worrying about how hard I was mashing on the pencil or any of that. I was just getting some color down. And that's, if I'm having fun, and I am, then it's all good. But if I was going to do this the proper way, I would have to use my lessons and my techniques. But this is for fun. This isn't doing it properly. I don't have to when I have fun. So that's what I'm trying to say. You got to have fun with this. Because if it starts getting boring and it starts getting you all anxious and making you, that will make you want to give up, and I don't want y'all to do that. I don't want anybody to give up. So it's okay to step back, I think, because there's no rules in art. But it's okay to step back from lessons. It's okay to step back from all that and just say, I'm putting color on the page and I'm not worried about anything. It's okay to do that. That's when art becomes therapeutic, is when you're having fun. But, if you're wanting to get it intermediate or advanced, you do have to do your lessons. But take a break. Take a break. Make it fun. Don't let it get you discouraged. And I've had several people comment about, they see this and they see that and they can't keep up with the tutorials, and okay, it's time to step back. Let's go back to preschool. Let's go back to my class. So have fun with it, guys, please. Don't get discouraged. I know you guys really, really want to advance, but hey, it's okay to step back every once in a while and just have fun with it. Okay? That's my lesson for today, is make art fun. If it's not fun, it's not art, because art is fun. And while I do want you to, proceed with, if that's what you want to do, if you, go follow the tutorials of Lori's channel. For the very beginners of you, it's called Starjoy Gold. That's all the channel's called. Her intermediate and advanced is Color My World. So I will link both of those in the description. But just don't push yourself, and just have fun with it. That's all I'm saying is don't get discouraged if you can't keep up with a tutorial. Just go back a little ways to where you can keep up. And if you start, just have fun with it. That's all I can tell you is have fun with it. And if it becomes a chore, you're pushing too hard. And that's the number one killer of people who want to, they want to advance in their coloring. That's the number one killer. So that's all I've got to say today, guys. And I love y'all. Peace out. Bye.